Turkey. Sorry, I got turkey on the brain. That frickin' rooster every morning thinks 3:30 is when the sun comes up. There he is, there he is. So, you know, Turkey Day is behind us. The in-laws are gone.
Uh-oh, Freudian slip.
The in-laws are gone.
Wait, we gotta cut. Your wife's gonna see this video.
No, it's gonna keep going, keep going. You know, everybody's gone. Friends and family are gone, beer's gone, wine's gone. What's not gone is a refrigerator full of frickin' leftovers. Delicious, but numerous, okay? And I just brought a smattering out from my refrigerator. So I got some green beans we didn't get to, little garlic, little sage, rosemary, cooked corn that never got eaten, pulled turkey. The turkey was dynamite. I don't know if anybody made the Hillsboro hot turkey, but that was just fantastic. And I did 2 turkeys, so that one got eaten completely, and this one is a little bit left over. Some onions I chopped up, cranberry sauce, butternut squash, stuffing, and which is not actually stuffing unless you stuff it in the bird. So we're gonna call that dressing, and a little bit of cheese. And today,
wait, some taters. You say taters?
Yeah, I said taters.
Oh, taters.
Oh, these things. Dude, I'm a tater magician, I'll tell you. I could be, if there were a position open somewhere for a potato chef, I'd be your guy, okay? The popular potato, so good. So I started thinking, what do we do with all this stuff? And what a great opportunity to talk about what to do with leftovers. A secondary use video for Thanksgiving leftovers. And my mind started going crazy. I was thinking, what are the stuffed poblano, the chili rellenos, lasagnas, this sort. And then I started thinking, man, I would just love a good old-fashioned enchilada. So we're gonna take these tortillas.
Flour tortillas.
They're flour tortillas. And usually I'm a corn tortilla kind of guy, but I think for this, to really get the kiddos involved in eating these leftovers, because that's the idea here, let's disappear these things in a delicious way, we're gonna need to use the flour. And so check out how I've got a Kamado Classic 2 set up. And I've got some gravy here. That's a hot spoon. And I've got one of these little casserole dishes. And so I thought what we'd do is start by sauteing just a little garlic and a little onions, and then adding the turkey and some green beans and some herbs, and then just building them one by one. We'll have our casserole dish, we'll put our gravy in the bottom, and then we'll start placing these seam side down, top with another gravy, put some cheese on there, and then roast it. So I do have an indirect side set up here on the left with my casserole dish, and then to the right, I'm kind of using it like a French cooktop right now. I've got the soapstone on the right here with my gravy, and that's where I'm going to warm up the tortillas as well. So we're probably sitting at a collective temperature there of about 400 degrees, okay? Nothing crazy today. All right, we're gonna start by putting a little bit of olive oil, and notice I'm on a hill, so I'm gonna play the hill at the top of the soapstone. And again, we're just waking this stuff up. Getting all these flavors put together in a fun and delicious way. Chopping a little garlic. Beauty. I'm gonna wait before I add that. I want to get a little bit more. I'm sweating this stuff. I'm kind of like sauteing it on the soapstone right now, and I'm just bringing it up slowly. Again, I'm on the highest level of the divide and conquer system, and I'm sitting at about 400. Okay. Let's go ahead and cut these green beans down just to make them a little more manageable. Nestle them on in there. Corn. You know, there's nothing better than shingles of corn. So I'm going to start, and we're just going to cut a little deeper than we normally would and shingle that right in. All right, in with our garlic. I'm going to move that gravy just so we can get a little more real estate here. That's a little better. Let's wake up some of this turkey, huh? Oh yeah. Here we go on with a little gravy. Let's go ahead and pick some herbs and just get those heated up just a little bit so those essential oils kick in. Starting out with some rosemary, a little sage, a little thyme from the garden. And that's what I want. Right over top. So I'm going to slide under and roll right onto my other spatula. So I think that's good. I like our mixture there. I've got a good salt content in that gravy already, so I'm not going to add any extra salt and pepper. But let's go ahead and take this off, and I'm feeling really good about our enchilada mixture here. It's beautiful. Still got plenty of gravy, and my thought process is we're going to go ahead and lay down. I mean, I'm thinking enchiladas, right, in a totally different flavor profile. But we're going to go ahead and lay down our sauce as if we would with our red or our green, except today we're using brown, meaning our gravy. And let's start building. Tortilla. Touch more gravy, why not? Let's go in with a little acid. Cranberry. Cheese. Oh, cheese. Making little tacos. Butternut squash, potatoes, dude. You just kind of watch this. Watch this. Are you ready for it?
Ready for it.
It's just the.
Whoa.
Not bad.
Pro move.
All right, enchilada number 1's in. I'm going to rotate this because it looks like it's getting a little aggressive on that side. Number 2. Let's start out with sauce. Cranberry. Cheese. Taters. I'm still making them big. Oh, the stuffing we forgot in the last one. Squash. I'm telling you, I'm trying to get rid of this stuff, bro.
It's a good way to do it.
Yeah. We'll try it a little different way this time.
There he is.
Okay.
3 more? We fit 3 more in there. Maybe 4?
I think I'm going for 4.
All right.
And these are big, bold Thanksgiving flavors. Guys, in the comment section below, tell me what you would add in your Thanksgiving enchilada that you don't see here today. What do you have that's interesting, that you absolutely loved, but you got to find a secondary use for?
I'm going to go with Brussels sprouts.
Brussels, yeah. A little balsamic Brussels action, maybe. Okay. Pulled pork could be a good one.
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe some beef from a rib roast.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, 1 more. Definitely room for 1 more.
Yeah, totally. I'm going to sneak it in the middle.
Ooh, good thinking.
It's going to be my best bet. See how I did that?
Pro move right here.
All right. Everybody's in. That's a good looking lineup. Now let's go right on top. Oh yeah. That's the magic. A little cheese. Beauty. All right, let's shut this lid and let those enchiladas pick up some of that natural lump charcoal flavor. Let me make a little real estate over here. I mean, look at this, Nate. That really didn't put a dent in anything.
No, it didn't.
It didn't. I'm making leftovers. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's set the party off with a little greenery.
Doesn't even look like leftovers.
No, I tell you what, you brought this over to somebody's house the day after Thanksgiving, and I know the flavors in there are absolutely impeccable. So it took us such a long time to make all of these gorgeous flavors, from the roasted bird to the dressing and the cranberry sauce. It's a shame for it to sit in there and die in the refrigerator. So really fun to come up with this fun and Thanksgiving innovative idea. Let's go ahead, I can see it bubbling, but let's go ahead and get a fork in this and see how we did. And I love the cheese on the top. I want to go for this one. Oh dude, it just pulls right apart with those flour tortillas.
You gonna burn your mouth again, or are you gonna wait a second?
I'm gonna burn my mouth.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
I think it's really hot.
It is. It just came off the KJ.
I know, it's all melty.
Don't do it.
I'm gonna even dip in a little, yeah. Here we go. Oh my God, it's hot. Woo! Oh my gosh, that is delicious. The cranberry gives it that zing, right? That sweet, that sour, hits you right back there, and you're smiling, you don't even know why, and then boom, here comes the savory of that turkey, and then saved by the day with the corn. There's a lot going on here. And it makes sense, right? Because it took us a really long time to cook for the whole entire day, but then in 10 minutes, we're able to whip up something like this. So I give this baby 2 thumbs up for sure. And it looks great. It's a wonderful way to put a spin on all those leftovers. Just beautiful, really. What do you think, Nate?
I think I want to try it as soon as I put this camera down.
Yeah, all right, so let's wrap this up. Folks, don't forget in the comment section down below, tell us the favorite part of your Thanksgiving meal. Excited to hear about what that was. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And from my backyard to yours, cheers, team.